claws, no fangs, no thick fur, just wooden tools, fire, and each other. So here's the strange question. Why did giant animals ever need to fear tiny humans? Imagine standing on a frozen plain thousands of years ago. The wind is sharp, the ground is covered in ice, and in the distance, something enormous is moving through the snow. A woolly mammoth. Its body is heavier than a truck. Its tusks are longer than a human body. Each step presses deep into the frozen earth. Now look at the humans nearby. They are small. A mammoth could crush a human in seconds. A giant ground sloth had huge claws. A saber-toothed cat had weapons built into its face. Even a large herd animal could be deadly if it charged. Compared to them, early humans looked almost helpless. Humans were not the strongest animals in the Ice Age. They were not the fastest. They were not the biggest. And alone, one human was not very dangerous. But humans almost never face the world alone. The first clue is teamwork. A mammoth had size. A saber-toothed cat had teeth. A wolf had speed. But humans had something different. They could look at the same problem and solve it together. One person could watch. Another could carry a tool. Another could start a fire. Another could follow tracks. Another could remember where animals moved last season. This changed everything, because the danger was not one human. The danger was a group of humans thinking like one creature. Humans could prepare before the danger even started. They could track footprints in snow. They could follow broken branches. They could read the ground like a story. A giant animal might only see a few small figures in the distance, but those small figures had already been watching for hours, maybe days. They knew where the animal slept. They knew where it walked. They knew where it was slow. They knew where the land could stop it. To a mammoth, the landscape was just the world. To humans, the landscape was a tool. But planning was only part of the story. The third clue was distance. Humans did not need teeth or claws. Tools gave them distance. Stone points, wooden shafts, and carefully prepared tools changed the rules. In Ice Age North America, Clovis-style stone points have been studied for their possible role in hunting large animals, such as mammoths and mastodons. But scientists still debate exactly how often humans hunted giant animals and how often they scavenged or used other food sources. And that debate matters, because this story is not as simple as saying humans destroyed everything alone. Climate was changing, habitats were shifting, food sources were moving. Many giant animals were already under stress. Imagine being a giant animal near the end of the Ice Age. The weather is changing. The plants you eat are disappearing from some places. Your herd is smaller than before. Your babies grow slowly. And then a new kind of predator arrives. A predator that watches, waits, learns, returns. But there was another force that changed everything. Fire. At night, the Ice Age world was not friendly. Cold wind, dark caves, predators nearby, no walls, no electric lights, no safe houses. Fire gave humans warmth. It gave them light. It helped protect them. It helped them cook food. It helped them gather in one place. And maybe most importantly, it gave them time together. Around fire, humans could rest, communicate, repair tools, watch children, and plan. So here is the real twist. The most dangerous human tool was not the stone point. It was not the torch. It was not even fire by itself. The most dangerous tool was the human mind, working with other human minds. One human could make a mistake, but a group could correct it. One human could forget, but a group could remember. One human could be weak, but a group could become a strategy. This is why tiny humans became a problem for giant animals. They did not need to win every encounter. They only needed to survive, learn, and come back better. The giants of the Ice Age were built for strength. Humans were built for adaptation. When the climate changed, humans moved. When food was scarce, humans changed their diet. When the cold came, humans used clothing, shelter, fire, and cooperation. Giant animals did not fear tiny humans because humans looked scary. They feared what humans could become when they worked together. A single human was fragile, but a group of humans with memory, fire, tools, and a plan was something the ancient world had never seen before. The giant had size, but the tiny humans had the future. And in the end, the Ice Age was not changed by the strongest body. It was changed by the smartest group. Follow Professor Stone into the next ancient mystery.